So there we go, another video. Let's see, this time it's gonna be this one. I'm gonna finish it, okay? I'm gonna show it how I do it. So magneto is coming back and cylinder head, etc, etc. So let's get to it. A little bit higher. This way, yeah, better. Okay, so voila, the ignition timing, people. The top of the center has been set up right now. Okay, so that's good. Good to go. Now I need to adjust this one. Okay, the magneto, I'm gonna put it. So the ignition timing, I can put it, but what I need to do, I need to move this one, but I see this one is doing nothing, so I need to double check why it's not working, because it should. Let's see, I think something is locked or something. Yeah, no. Okay, then okay, well, it needs to stay like this, fully open. Okay, and then I'm gonna turn it to the proper degrees and then lock it in place, and then it will be ready. The ignition timer will be done, but later on I need to do the same once the bike is running. So to double check, always double check and triple check if you can. So okay, let's go. So that wasn't easy because, let's see, so, okay, 11:11, Bamba. So let's see, let's try to explain. So I searched it up, okay, and actually, I couldn't find the degrees. Some people, they say, like in the book, the only thing you've got, add here the digital book, okay? They say that was here. Yeah, let's try to show it. Wait a minute. Ooh, there you go. So this is what it should be, the distance, okay? Voila, okay. But I'm used to work with degrees, you know, for the degree wheel. But yeah, I couldn't find it anywhere. Like I searched it up, and some people, they say 33 degrees. Some other, they say like it's 30 degrees. And I said like, okay, just to stick to this, the distance, you know, and just forget about here. So now I set it up, okay. 7/16. I don't know how you say that in English. 7/16, I guess. I don't know. So yeah. So right now it's set up like that. Now I need to check the magneto. Okay, but this one, this is it tells you when the contact points are open. Okay. So if you pull it like this, let's see. Oh, this way. Here is something wrong. Oh yeah, this is loose. What the heck? This is loose, and the dynamo must go out because it's how can I say this? It doesn't let me turn the magneto because it's locked. I think that's the problem. Let me check this one. Okay, it's like this, okay, but now you can still do this. See, I don't know. Is it, yeah, there you go. This, and then you go like this. Still, you see, pop, it's loose. So that must be tied up, and this one must go this way so I can actually turn, because I think it's locked. This one is locked. Oh, this one was such a nice place. Like it was totally the center here, and now I'm gonna lose it, and I will need to refine again the place. Let me get this one a little bit more loose, and this one too, and see if he's moving. And look at it. No, not really. This one. Normally, if you work with the decrease, I really like to work with this one, with the degree wheels, not with the height. But anyways, it's not bad. It's not the end of the world. Come on. There you go. Okay. Let's see. Tack, tack. Okay. This is the other one. There you go. And now let's put the magneto back in place and centered. Because they have a lot of play always. This type of magneto, this setup is so unstable. Like it can move everywhere. Yeah, at least that's my experience. Let me know in the comments what is your experience. But this setup of magneto, the ones that they are not holed with the 3 holes, you know, like the other ones, yeah, this one, they just go all around the place. Every time I tie it up, I need to readjust it, and yeah. One more, and click. There you go. Okay, this is centered. Okay, now this one, yeah, you see now the magneto can run really freely and easy. There you go. What I'm going to do once it's set up, okay, because I was doing it through here, and I tried to do it from this side when I was checking for the height. And actually this one got loose, that's why I never do it from the front. But what I want to say is, once everything is set up and it's firing at the proper height, I will put again this one in 0, and we will see how much the grease is before it, yeah, when it gets to 1111 here, we will know then how many degrees actually are. If it's 30, or if it's 20, or if it's 10, let's see. So let's, oh wait, wow, this is totally loose. Wow. Okay, this is no good. I need to talk with the guy who does this for me, because the screw is totally loose. This one was totally loose. That's not good. Okay, well, I will need to talk with him. And this one, let's see. Okay, this is tied up. That's not bad. At least what I feel here. Let's see with this one. No. Oh yeah, a little bit. Let me take the key. Place. There you go. A little lower. Then I can do like this. Okay, that's tight. That's nice. This shouldn't move. So let's see. But this one, what, is broken or something? Or what was the problem? I don't get it. Why it was totally loose? 11 with 11 should be 12 I read now, but I guess that if I put it somewhere here, it should be 11. No, here is 9. I don't believe it at all. 10. So it's 11. So like this and like this. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I get 12, 10, 11. It's in between all the time. So that's good. Now, what I wanted to say, this one, hopefully, let's see, it's in camera. Okay. Yeah. So this one tells me when the magneto, the contact point of the magneto is open. It's really bad to see. Okay, but this is from the magneto guys, and yeah, I'm happy with this one. Really, I use it now many years, so yeah. And this is easy. You connect it, one to the body and one to the contact point, like this. Very nice. Yeah, you see, it's just a point there. Here is close. And then bam, open. Let me check. Maybe I can adjust this one a little bit more. It helps a little bit to really remark this one. There you go. So right now, okay, it's close, and then I move until, yeah, you see, pop. That's the opening point. And now I should lock it here, and then that's the proper timing, ignition timing. So yeah, that's it. So let's lock it in place right now, and voila. So fully advanced is this, okay? This one now here. Check that we don't lose it. Still on, yes, nice. This is retarded, and this is fully open, okay? So voila. So when you're going to start the bike, you always want to start it like this. That's easy to start, and you will have no kickback. And then once it's running, you fully open, tack, and there you go. Then you're good to go. So now I did again, okay, I checked the degree wheel, like I put it again at 11.11, okay, and this is what I get in the degree wheel. Okay, so it's, let's see, try to show it on the camera. It's about 21 degrees before top dead center. Yeah, maybe in the camera it's not good to see, but yeah, if I put it like, yeah, that's how I see it, like this. Yeah, so voila. So next, let's show it. Next step. There you go. Okay, this is the next one. So has a pattern, how you need to tie it up, and there is the foot pounds you need to put. Okay, I will put it here on the screen how much newtons that is. Okay, so voila. Let's get to it. So there you go, people. Another one done. I'm still missing this one and this one. I guess that they are not there because they were damaged, like some of those, you know. I needed to make them, and I know because they are way too damaged. You can see here and so. And here one in the head. I needed to make the thread again here. It was really dirty and has some old thread from an old screw or something, I don't know. So yeah, no, it's good to go. They can put it back on the frame. That's gonna do it the honor with somebody else. and then when everything is back together, then they're gonna bring the bike back to me, and well, not back, they're gonna bring it to me, and then I'm going to start it and do the first fire up since ever, because that bike has been from his father, and then he got it and it never did run, so this is gonna be the first time. So voila. Yeah, if you like to support the channel, you can do so by buying me a coffee. Hopefully I can fit it somewhere here, okay? Or just give it a good thanks below, you know, super thanks. And sharing this channel, and like and subscribe, you know. So yeah, see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.